Hi there, this is going to be a quick guide on how to install and set up your kitchen display, and as well I will show you how you will mount it on a wall if you wish to do so. First of all, let's have a look at what comes inside the box. We've got the power cables, the kitchen display, and then we've got the plastic leg. The wall mount will come in a separate box with the delivery. Take the plastic leg and attach it to the back of the kitchen display as shown in the video. Once you have done this, you can simply turn on the kitchen display and you can place it on any table or any flat countertop that you have in your kitchen. If you wish to remove it, just press the button inside the plastic leg and then pull it out as shown. Next up, take the two components of the power cable and connect them together, and take one end and connect it to the back of the kitchen display as shown in the video, and the other end will go to the power socket. All that's left to do now is press the power button at the back of the display and the device will power up. If this setup is convenient to you, then you can pause the video now. Next up, I will show you how to mount your kitchen display on the wall. First of all, take the wall mount out of the box and split it into the two pieces as shown. One will go to the back of the kitchen display and the other one will be mounted on the actual wall. Now take the piece that goes at the back of the kitchen display and place it according to the holes, making sure that this edge is facing upwards. And then take the screws from bag A with the washers from bag C as shown in the video and screw them in the holes. Once you've done that, this will secure the piece on the back of the kitchen display and it will be ready to be mounted on the other piece that goes onto the wall. Once you're done with it, it should look like this. Next up, you will have to mount the second piece of the wall mount on the wall in your kitchen. I cannot show you how to do this in a video and you will have to consult the instruction set that comes with the wall mount. After you've done that, it should look similar to this image. Once you're done with that, you should be able to attach the kitchen display to the wall mount easily, and it should be able to rest freely on the mount without you having to hold it any further. Next up, you have to screw back the two screws that kept the two pieces together initially, as shown in the video. This is the last step you have to do before your kitchen display will be ready to use. After you've screwed these two screws, you should now just attach the power cables as shown earlier in the video. After this is done, you should be able to freely move your kitchen display as you wish. If you have any further questions, please refer to the installation guide provided to you or contact our support team.